Hey guys, today we are trying to simulate a rolling of a dice using Python GUI interface. So what we have done here is create a code that lets us simulate the rolling of a dice. For example, as you can see, this is the output of it. So when I press the roll button, we get random face of the dice, which in fact is after the rolling phase. So as you can see, as you keep on pressing roll, random faces get popped, random faces come up. So as to that, that's the output that we were aiming for. And the code is, as you can see, we have imported tkinter, and we created a window in this line. So and after that, this line is used to configure a background color. This is for setting the geometry of the window, that is the shape of the window, and the title of the window is given like over here. And this is like preventing maximizing of the window, so it doesn't allow the window be resizable. And this part over here gives the faces of the dice, like U2680 gives indicates one dot on the dice, and like that so on. U2685 indicates 6 dots, 682 indicates 3 dots, etc. And the random dots on the dice face are generated using this part of the code, that is text is equal to f random.choice dice dots. Since we are using two dices, maybe I have given it two times. If you are using only one dice, we would have given it once. And this part of the code lets us add the button, the roll button, and this positions the button to where we want it, and this labels. This part makes it possible to run the code, the window.main loop. Thank you for listening to this. Thank you for watching this video.